Hi, this is Lisa Knight. I'm going to give you a little introduction to Lab 3 Part 1, 3 views of a projectile ball. So remember that a projectile is anything that's been thrown into the air, and the only force acting on it is the force of gravity. In other words, there may be other forces, but they're negligible. So here we have a ball that has been tossed, and in the main part of the video, you have you can see it like as if you were just watching the guy kick the ball.
Other ones, don't worry. Wait.
Then you have a top-down view where you can see its horizontal motion, and you have the vertical view where you can see it go up and down. This way you can turn on your tools and you can set an axis here that will help you, and you can track the position of it in the X direction, the position of it in the Y direction, and eventually you'll be asked to find the speed that it has every instant in time from the Y position graph. So that you'll be able to have 3 graphs. You'll have a X position, that's the horizontal position. Remember, the rule of the game is on position graphs. If the slope is constant, then it's traveling at a constant speed. If the slope is not constant, then it is not traveling at a constant speed. It is accelerating. So you should have learned last time that when we were studying projectiles, that in the X direction, the projectile is traveling at a constant speed. It's not accelerating. In the Y direction, it speeds up and slows down by negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So you should expect that the Y position graph should look like a parabola, and if you linearize it, the slope of it should be close to, because this is a ball on Earth, that of gravity of Earth. Also, you can verify that by looking at the velocity of it in the Y direction. When you do that, if the velocity graph has a constant slope, then it also has a constant acceleration, and that slope should be whatever the acceleration is of that ball. So you have different ways to do things, and you will need to use complete sentences on this to answer the questions, and it's not really that hard, but it's just to verify what you've learned in class.